S23 Ultra screen repair and back glass repair. Okay, got the glass off. Now you have to remove all these screws that go here, these different areas. Got them off already. Get this wireless coil, NFC coil off, and start disconnecting all the cables and removing everything technically, and put them in the new screen with frame. Okay, got everything out. It's an empty frame. Old in with the new. Now I gotta do everything in reverse. Okay, got all the internals back in. Now it's gotta add all the screws and add some adhesive and add the new back glass. Okay, we got everything put back in with the new back glass, nice and clean. Tested the screen already and it's all working. Well, cool. Need a repair? Hit me up. Thanks.